What you are about to witness is the unveiling of a grape cluster that was protected by a disposable sock. I use these twisty ties to tie the sock up over the grape cluster. And now we are unveiling the cluster. Yeah, look at that. Pretty nice. Save those socks for next year. Oh, there's 2 clusters in there. Look for the bad grapes because some of them over-ripen. Get moldy. These 2 are pretty good. There's one I unveiled up above here that I did, and I thought, well, I should get a video here. You can see it up in here. That one right there. Pretty. There's a couple bad ones on there. Throwing those in a bucket because I'm going to plant them. Ooh, look at what we got on there. Come on, focus. There you go. Come around and smile for the folks. That's enough. I got work to do. Get out of there now. My bowl's filling up already. Here's some more over here. If you don't do this extra work, you don't get very many grapes. All the critters want to grab them. See, there's some on here that are overripe. I'll just get rid of those. Looks nice. More up here. There's some on the other side of the fence, so I'll have to go on the other side of the fence for that. Nothing left. So that's what you got. That's your choice. A little work protecting them or feed the local wildlife population, which I guess there's not really too wrong with that either. This one didn't have any protection and I missed it. Lots of them are overripe. But these Catawbas, they got a real narrow window. They got a pretty astringent skin, and they can be quite astringent in the grape too if you pick them too early. You get a little burst of flavor and then nothing. That's a nice cluster right there. Look at that. It's like a pitcher fish right there. Obviously, I'm picking them late because we got a lot of spoilage. They're overripe. You can see how many there are, quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and plant these in the center of a circle bed. See if any of them sprout next year. Here's the last pile of grapes that I harvested. Those are pretty nice there. Yeah. Harvested you right here. Pretty big. That's a lot of grapes. really nice too.